If you're sick and tired of having an empty PayPal and online accounts with $0 balances and are willing to try something brand new and stupid easy to supplement accounts like this account of mine or even this account of mine, then turn off all distractions and listen close, because in the next few minutes I'm going to unveil an online income app that's so new and different from everything else out there that it's now officially patent pending with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. Now, I hope you're not one of them, but I've literally run across people saying they've spent years and tens of thousands of dollars trying to make serious money online. I've even heard people say their marriages have suffered or are suffering because of time and money they've wasted on dead-end online business opportunities. Yikes. I've got just one thing to say to these unfortunate people. Keep your money in your wallet. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm no dummy. I realize the old business adage, to make money online, you have to at least invest some money, is 100% true. But if done right, making money online is not only fast, it only costs a few dollars to get started right here on this page. So to anybody who's burned months or even years trying to spend your way to success, so to speak, it's time to start doing the exact opposite of what you've been doing. On a good month, I make over $50,000 online and sometimes over $100,000 per month. But the thing is, I'm not toiling my life away in order to do it. I'm usually spending time with my family or doing my hobbies while my online business brings in money for me on cruise control, on autopilot. And the secret to my success is simple. It's something I call the 60-second rule. And it entails very simply doing the exact opposite of the things I've been warning you about. The rule is this: every 60 seconds of your time, your valuable time, should result in at least 60 minutes worth of income results. So for example, if you spend 60 seconds, a quick 60 seconds doing some task online or off, the results should be equivalent to if you'd worked at least 1 full hour. So again, you're doing a quick 60-second task and getting paid just as if you'd actually worked an hour or even a day or even a month. So in a nutshell, you want to leverage small things into big things. And that, my friend, brings us to the new online income app I've been dying to tell you about up to now. Introducing 60-second traffic. Now, 60-second traffic, and let's call it 60ST for short, is me and my development team's all-new online free traffic app, proven to send as many as 150 or more free leads and buyers to any link in 60 seconds a pop, and do it over and over and over, day in and day out, forever, for good. So if you're tired of logging into accounts that look like this, and you want multiple daily accounts that instead look like this, or even want to subsidize an account like this, then our groundbreaking, patent-pending 60ST traffic app is for you, and you owe it to yourself to create an instant account by clicking the big Add to Cart button below. You can do it anytime during this video to start getting the easiest traffic of your life just seconds from now. If you can copy and paste a link online, like an affiliate link or link to any family-friendly website, then you have all it takes, everything it takes to get hundreds of free leads and buyer clicks with 60ST and do it over and over again, day in and day out. Now, I don't know if you've ever scheduled an email list blast or scheduled PPC traffic or any type of set it and forget it traffic that is delivered on autopilot once scheduled. But if you have, then you've already got a good feel for what getting traffic with 60ST is like, except far easier than any of the above. Step 1, you log into the app. Step 2, you schedule your free traffic to any affiliate link or offer link. This is where my 60-second rule happens. And then step 3, you sit back while our app sends you the traffic like an obedient little robot. And that's literally all there is to it. At any point during this video, if that sounds good to you, you can click the big Add to Cart button below to get started right away, 100% risk-free, start getting traffic. Now, you're probably anticipating that you're going to have to shell out big bucks to get instant access to 60ST, and indeed we could easily be charging hundreds of dollars for 60ST access right up front for very good reasons. Each 60-second ad you schedule with 60-second traffic can send up to 150 clicks a pop, as I mentioned, and you can schedule as many as 15 ads daily, far more than most people will ever use. But doing the math, that's up to 2,250 clicks daily. Now, at a conservative value of only 25 cents per click, that's already up to $562.50 worth of free traffic daily, which amounts to nearly $4,000 worth of free clicks to any link or offer you choose per week, totaling a whopping $15,750 monthly value. So that's exactly why the price of the 60ST app is going straight up the moment our current 7-day launch discount ends, meaning that right now, right here now, is your chance to grab 60ST for a ridiculously small one-time fee while never paying a single dime again. And there you have it, $15,750 worth of traffic every month for years to come, all for a very small one-time fee if you click the add to cart button below to get in right away. Also, fair warning, even our current launch discount fee, as small as it is automatically going up every 60 minutes. So to guarantee your copy of 60ST at the lowest price possible, you want to order before our clocks on this page tick down to 0. And as a special free bonus, guaranteed only if you order 60-second traffic right here and now, we'll also include a copy of another #1 best-selling income app created by our team called Stacker. Now, in a nutshell, Stacker is the world's first ever app to generate what we call smart pages. And smart pages are our proprietary high-tech version of the classic affiliate bonus page, the kind used daily by top gurus to suck in up to 50 grand per month. The Stacker lets you click through and easily choose from literally billions of instant smart pages, over 200 billion to be more precise, to choose from, fully complete with built-in bonus products that will put your visitors in a buying frenzy that you can use to make money with virtually any online affiliate offer or product you can imagine. So with 60ST and Stacker combined, you've got the perfect 1-2 punch, so to speak, to dominate online by racking up unlimited traffic and commissions. Now, if you already own Stacker, not to worry, we'll grant you free access to an alternative handpicked bonus of equal value and income generating power. But again, to secure the Stacker bonus, you must act now by clicking the big add to cart button below to pick up 60ST right away. And rest assured, your order is completely risk-free and backed by our full 100% money-back guarantee. And not only that, we'll literally pay you $1,000 cash on the spot if the 60ST app doesn't do exactly what we promised, because we know it will. Meaning the real risk here is losing all the traffic and commissions you could otherwise be making, starting as soon as today, traffic and commissions like these, by not taking immediate action. So wait no longer, click the add to cart button below this video before it's too late to secure your copy of 60ST while still on launch discount. Now, why have we never seen an app that can do what 60ST does? Well, first off, my team and I build apps from the ground up. We never buy scripts or clones. Time after time, we literally invent new apps that do new things to help you generate free leads and free sales online. Most recently, we're the app team that invented website spinning and sold hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of our website spinning apps. We're also the team that invented lead forwarding and double squeeze pages with apps like Siphon and Dual Squeeze, other apps you may have heard of. And going back to the early days online, we're the team that launched the first ever private label article membership called InfoGround. And now, with 60ST, we've taken on the traffic game by creating the first ever patent pending traffic app that allows you to schedule hundreds and thousands of free clicks to any link in 60 seconds a pop, over and over again, day after day, week after week, and month after month. Getting easy quality traffic is the #1 roadblock that newbies and even pros alike face in reaching their online income goals. And now, finally, we hold the rights to the ultimate solution, your solution. So again, don't delay, click the button below to grab 60ST now to lock in for a very small one-time fee But fair warning, if you leave this page without ordering and then come back, don't be surprised to see a monthly fee requirement. That's why now is the time to lock in your copy of 60ST at our current small one-time fee. So click the big Add to Cart button below to join the long list of other 60ST app users literally flooding in right now during our 7-day launch debut. Congratulations on being here for this highly unique opportunity, and we look forward to seeing you inside.